Hello, this is Arun here. We are representing a company called Qubotix Technology. I am the director there, and we are here to represent automated 3D scanning solutions, which is used mostly in automotive industry to CAD compare it, and basically all the complex shaped parts can be inspected with ease, and you can use it to automate. You can inspect around thousands of components in a day by automating the scanning process, all complex shaped parts. And we have like vision inspections where we can do 2D inspection, 3D inspection. And in today's world where you have to, production rate is high and you have to maintain a very good quality, so we need a like to match the high production rate. We need to have a very good quality, high speed quality inspection solutions. So we are into high speed quality inspection solutions where using high speed cameras we can inspect the components running in a inline which can match the production speed, and as well as you can do 100% inspection of your components in manufacturing industries, and you can achieve the quality products of all the 100% components. And we have 2D cameras, we have 3D cameras, we have automated bin pickings, and these are all like where there you can replace human eyes with the vision cameras. And also we have one more solution with AMRs and AGVs. If you want to transport material inside a factory from one location to others, seamlessly you can integrate with your warehouse management systems, and you can transport material from one location to other easily with all integrated route maps and software systems. These AMRs, we have multiple types starting from 200 kg to tons of weight it can pick, and it can go up to a height of 4 meters. We have forklifts, automated forklifts. So all smart factory manufacturers, all companies which are looking to convert their inspection application from manual to automated, we have a solution. And companies which want to manual material movement to automate, we have a solution. So we are basically into a quality automation and intralogistic automation company. So we are there in the market from last 5 years, and our major customer bases are here. Like we are supplied to companies in UAE, in Japan, and in India. Like our major customer is Toyota, and we have Aisin, Caterpillar, DRDO, HAL. So a elite list of customers: Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 automotive industries, aerospace industries, FMCG. Coca-Cola is one of the FMCG customers of us. And here we are there. India as a country is moving towards from manual to automation in terms of manufacturing. So we are there to support them as a solution provider in quality and intralogistics. So our stall number is G2. Company name is Qubotix Technology Pvt Ltd. Please do visit our stall. And for a word for the visitors is like here you can explore multiple segments of automation. Automation is kind of a sea where every company has their own expertise, and you can experience the same at one location. So I think for a broad-minded people and companies who are looking to automate from manual inspections or manual methods, so this is a great place to explore. And I invite and I expect all manufacturing companies to have a look at it and explore the possibility to automate your processes. Thank you.